Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's Workshop. Welcome to issue number 20 of Build the Iconic Ford Falcon XB GT, the madmax car, from our good old friends over at Hachette. Now, if you want to grab this 1/8 scale model for yourself and build along with me, follow this link here all the way to the Hachette website. There's a clickable version below in the description, and you too can get yourself a subscription for this beautiful, beautiful iconic car. What have we got today? We got the rear chassis section today with leaf spring supports that have been attached to the rear section of the chassis, which is just over there, folks. And this is where it's going to go on the back of your Ford Falcon. So we're already starting the chassis, folks. Nice clear instructions there showing you what we're going to be doing and where we're going to be locating things. And check and double check your leaf springs. They are handed, but also there's certain holes we're going to be using as well, folks. Okay. Simple screw fixings that you can see there. And then this is what we're going to end up with at the end. Little pair of leaves already mounted, ready to go. You then got the new size fold there, Robert McNamara's elegant utilitarian vision. Yes, folks, there you go. And this is the Falcons of yesteryear, folks. Loads of blurb in the magazines, so give them a read. And then this is what's coming next, which is going to be the housing for the spare wheel well in the next issue, folks. So let's just grab this, get all our bits and pieces together, and then we'll do a little bit of assembly for you, folks, okay? So there's our chassis section, done in die cast, looking rather splendid, as you can see. And then we've got a pair of leaf springs as well, and these are also die cast, okay? And these are left and right. Got a little marking on there, L and R. So let's just get them sorted out and get these all worked out. So this is the left-hand side one, okay? And this is going to go on here, okay? So you've got a little peg and you've got a screw hole going in there. So it's going to sit something like that, okay? And that is going to go in place with a DS10 screw. So let's get a bit of oil on that, just like so, and we'll get that in situ, just like that. We'll then spin that round, and we'll do the same the other side. And you'll notice that this pin is just slightly offset. It goes just in there, like so. We'll then grab the next screw, a little bit of oil, and we'll feed that through just in there, like that. Just check that they're firmly in place, and that is the completed assembly for today, folks, okay? So you've got your leaf springs in each side ready, and then this is going to sit up underneath the back end of the motor. Okay? Happy days, isn't it? Hey, look at that, look. Have you some of that? So don't forget, folks, if you want to grab this and build along with me, follow this link here to the Hachette website and take out a subscription for this beautiful, beautiful 1/8 scale model. You will not be disappointed. Also, to help me out and to help me grow my channel, give little Festakins a click in the corner there and subscribe to my channel. I really do appreciate it. Whilst you're there, ring the bell. That will give you notifications of upcoming content. Until then, stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now.